In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. If you're presenting in a meeting and want your audience to see only your slides, not your whole desktop, this walkthrough will keep things clean and focused. Before we begin, open your PowerPoint file on your computer and make sure you're already in your Teams meeting so everything is ready to go. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the Share button on the meeting toolbar. Depending on your layout, the toolbar may appear at the top or bottom of the screen, and the Share button looks like a small rectangle with an upward arrow. If the controls aren't visible, just move your mouse and they'll reappear. This is the control you'll use anytime you want to show content to other participants. Click the Share button, and Teams will open the sharing tray asking what you want to share. You'll see several options, but for this method, choose Window. Sharing a window is ideal because it shows only the single application you pick, keeping your other apps and any notifications out of view. In the tray, Teams displays thumbnail previews of the apps you currently have open so you can easily identify the right one. Now select Window, locate the thumbnail for your PowerPoint presentation, and press Share. If PowerPoint is open in its normal editing view, that's perfectly fine. Attendees will see exactly what's in that window. If you've already started slideshow or presenter view, Teams will share that slideshow window instead. After you share, you'll usually see a subtle colored border around the chosen window, confirming what your audience can see. From here, present as you normally would, use your arrow keys or on-screen navigation to move through your slides. If you're using presenter view on your own screen, you can reference your notes while your audience sees only the slide itself in the shared window. Because you've shared just the PowerPoint window, you can switch to other apps privately if you need to, as long as you keep your presentation flow anchored in that shared window. A few quick tips for clarity: make sure your slides are maximized so text is readable, close any pop-ups inside PowerPoint that you don't want shown, and keep your file preloaded so the thumbnail appears instantly in the sharing tray. These small touches help your presentation feel polished and distraction-free. And that's it. Open your meeting, click the share button, choose window, and pick your PowerPoint. You're ready to share your slides confidently in Microsoft Teams.